What's poppin' 10? I'm depositing 10. All these ends why you motherfuckers got to be. All this cops again. Eat a box or something. I such a little watch with some rocks or something. What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin' 10?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're jumping straight into this tutorial. This is a simple and easy protective style. We're starting out with our hair parted down the center and like in a ponytail at the back. It doesn't have to be a good ponytail because you see mine was not neat. Ain't no sleek nothing. But when we're done, our hair is going to be so cute, and I'm going to be using CurlsCurls clip-ins. I'll leave their information down below, and these are their Kinky curly clip-ins. And guys, these are old. I've had these for a while and I decided to wash them and reuse them. So my hair right now looks a little bit white because I had leave-in and what else did I have in my hair? Oils, and yeah, so it's still on my hair because my hair is slightly damp in this video. I was trying not to use a lot of product on my hair, so it's just like leave-in, oils, and I added a little bit of like Eco Styler gel. So as you can see guys, I'm just adding the clippings on the back. Like, this hairstyle is so simple and so easy. You don't need to do any type of braiding, any type of like, you know, plaits, anything. Just literally put your hair back. Even if it's short and the ponytail is not neat, that's fine. It's all gonna be covered. And I literally started clipping in the clip-ins on the ponytail. So right where I have the ponytails where I placed my first clip-in, and then you're just gonna keep measuring from ear to ear and measure the clip-in according to your head size, and then you just add the clip-ins and you keep going up. It's so easy guys. Like, I literally think that you can just watch this without me even telling you what to do. It's literally so easy. It took how long? It didn't take long. I don't know. I wasn't time myself. I was like listening to music and stuff, but it really didn't take long. It didn't take much work, much effort. No, not really. I didn't have to use a lot of products either. And you're literally just gonna be laying the clip-ins up, and you're probably wondering like, how is she going to make this neat right now? Like, you're probably there like panicking, but don't panic. Have faith and just like trust the process. You know, whenever I do a hair tutorial, always like, what the hell am I doing? But it always turns out fire. And you see how simple the first steps are. Like, you can literally do this. Anybody can do this. Like, the easiest protective style ever. And then because the ponytail isn't tight, it's less strain on your edges. You know what I mean? And I'm just literally going with some kaleidoscope edge control, and I'm just sleeking down that part right there. My phone is just always going off. Wow. Anyways, I'm just sleeking down that part right there that will be left out, and I'm just literally brushing out my edges and stuff. And we're just gonna do a little edge work, you know, nothing too fancy, just like two little swoops, whatever edge art is good for you. Just make it look cute, okay? And I realized like my edges, like, you know, at the side is getting too long. Like, when I try to give it like, you know, the little swoops and stuff, it's not staying. I feel like I need to trim them shorter or something. I don't know, but it's not staying. It's getting too long on my sides. But yeah, just do your little artwork, and literally that's it. And we're going to move on to the other part of this hairstyle. And for this week, guys, my crown crush is my Diana Burton. Thank you so much, honey, for riding with me. Yeah, so back to the tutorial. We're just finishing up our little swoops and making everything is all cute and neat. And what the edge control in this will do is just add like that neat finished look. Like, no one will ever know that you have a ponytail underneath this. Like, no one will ever know that your ponytail isn't like, you know, neat. They won't even know. Like, dead ass. Everyone was wondering, how did you do this to your hair? And I'm like, it's just a ponytail with the clippings, the clip-ins on top. If I can talk, I can't. And you see, I was trying with my edges, like, you know, but my edges right there, they're getting too long or whatever. So yeah, let's skip that. But I'm just gonna keep doing my thing until I'm satisfied with how the hair looks. And I added a little bit of gel as well over top, and then that's it. And I'm gonna get like my last piece of clip-in, like right there, and that's gonna be right where all the clip-in work stops. So we're just gonna add it right there and use it as a marker. Like, guys, when you make your part in the middle, wherever your part stops, that's where your last track will be. And you want to make it like right where your ears are, kind of like, you know, like a bandeau, where you put a bandeau if you have a bandeau on. Do they even make bandeaus anymore? But yeah, but something like that. And I'm literally gonna go in with my scissors and I'm gonna be trimming up this hair because I wasn't taking care of it and I had it thrown down, but it came back together. I used some silicone mix conditioner, and I washed my clip-ins and I made it, you know, get all soft again, and it's all good. So I'm just like trimming. I'm just like trimming it up and giving it some shape because I wasn't liking how everything was just like, you know, straight and looking weird. Everything was on the same level, so I'm just like trimming it up, giving it some shape, giving it some body, some oomph. So guys, after the trimming, I take like a piece of the clip-ins, and don't be grossed out. I literally didn't know how else to hold the clip-in, so I always do that when I'm plaiting braids or whatever. So I literally just put the clip-ins, like, you know, between my lips and make that braid. We're gonna be using that braid to cover the track and create like the whole kind of halo kind of thing. And at first I used one piece of clip-in and it was a little bit thin. I had to, like, you know, pull it out and add another piece, but literally just make like one simple braid, one simple plait. You know, if you can't braid, guys, do a twist. Like, braiding isn't hard, but if you can't braid, pull that hair in two and just make a twist. And I'm using bobby pins to put that piece of hair over my hair and to cover the track, and you're just gonna adjust it and add as many bobby pins as you feel like you need to secure it and also to cover the tracks. And then that's really just it, guys. Like, this is the simplest hairstyle ever, and it's so cute. Everyone kept talking about my hair like, yo, natural hair goals. Like, everyone thought it was my hair, I kid you not. And you couldn't tell me it wasn't my hair either because it was so blended. And this is a great protective style. Your hair is not being bothered. Your hair is nicely tucked away. No leave out that you have to be worrying about. Like, this is a really cute protective style. You can let your hair rest and you can slay. And I'm just going in with my usual rapid styling strips and I'm just tying that down so everything will be all nice and neat. And now we're back with some makeup, and that's how it looks. Everything is all neat and sleek, and I'm going in with my olive oil ORS. Ugh, I think I said that wrong, but I'm going with my ocean spray and I'm just spraying it to give things some life. And guys, I was loving it. I really liked this hairstyle. I enjoyed it so much. I didn't expect it to look like this. I don't know what I expected it to look like, but it was so cute and I was in love, guys. Let me know your thoughts down below if you're feeling this hairstyle, and I'll definitely catch you in my next one. I love you guys so much. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Mwah.